If you're taking vitamin D right now, there's a good chance you're doing it in a way that's barely working, or worse, quietly working against you. Most people assume a vitamin is impossible to mess up. Vitamin D is the exception. Tonight, I'll show you the mistakes almost everyone makes and how to actually fix them. Let's start with the biggest one. Taking it on an empty stomach. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, meaning it needs dietary fat present to be properly absorbed. Take it with black coffee or an empty stomach, and research shows your body may absorb significantly less of it, sometimes barely a fraction of the dose. The fix is simple. Take it with a meal containing some fat, eggs, nuts, avocado, or even a glass of milk. Mistake 2. Taking it at the wrong time of day. Many people take vitamin D right before bed, assuming it's just routine. But some research suggests vitamin D may interfere with melatonin production when taken too close to bedtime, potentially disrupting sleep quality. Taking it earlier in the day, ideally with breakfast or lunch, avoids this potential interference entirely. Mistake 3, and this one is bigger than most people realize. Taking vitamin D without vitamin K2. Vitamin D increases calcium absorption from your gut, but without vitamin K2, that calcium doesn't always go where it should. K2 directs calcium into your bones, where it belongs. Without it, calcium can end up depositing in soft tissue, including your arteries. Long-term, high-dose vitamin D without K2 may contribute to arterial calcification over time. The fix is straightforward. Look for a supplement that combines D3 with K2, or eat K2-rich foods like fermented foods and egg yolks. Mistake 4. Guessing your dose instead of testing it. Vitamin D needs vary enormously between individuals, skin tone, geographic location, age, body weight, and sun exposure all affect how much vitamin D your body actually needs. Taking a random dose without knowing your blood levels means you could be undertreating a deficiency, or worse, overdoing it. Taking extremely high doses over long periods can lead to dangerously elevated calcium levels in the blood, a condition called hypercalcemia. Symptoms can include nausea, weakness, frequent urination, and, in severe cases, kidney damage. Mistake 5. Assuming more is always better. Higher doses don't necessarily mean faster or better results. Your body regulates vitamin D conversion carefully. Megadosing doesn't speed up the process. It simply increases your risk of side effects. If you're taking vitamin D right now, ask yourself honestly, are you taking it with fat, at the right time, with Kr and magnesium? If not, this might be the video that finally makes it actually work. Share this with someone who takes vitamin D daily. They need to see this too.